Hello everybody, this is Mina. Nice to meet you again. I now have a music practice room. In order to prevent noisy other people, I intend to remodel him. In order to reduce the cost of remodeling, I decided to use the adhesive acoustic foam. The use of the method is simple and convenient. Just tear the back of the adhesive paper. You can DIY your own home. Creating a dedicated home recording studio can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you design a space that's both functional and inspiring. 1. Treatment. Use acoustic foam, panels, or blanket to absorb sound waves and reduce echo.